Meaning of headcase.
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 Headcase. The word headcase is a slang term used to describe someone who is mentally unstable, unpredictable, or crazy. It is an insult that can be directed towards someone who is acting out of control or has erratic behavior. The term is often used in a derogatory manner and should be avoided. It is important to be respectful and understanding towards those who may be struggling with mental health issues. It is best to offer support and encouragement to those in need rather than stigmatizing them with hurtful labels.